Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I'm gonna do a sound check now. If you're watching in recording, the sound seems to be good. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Zazu. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And first, I want to thank you for taking the poll I posted in the group the other day to determine the direction for our new series. And a lot of you voted for freedom from old habits and fears. So this is what we're going to focus on in the next few weeks. This series will be primarily inspired by Pema Chodron's book titled Taking a Leap, Freeing Ourselves from Old Habits and Fears. And we will also draw on the works of Tara Brach, Rick Hanson, Sharon Salzberg, Kristen Neff, and Christopher Germer. As always, we will start the new series by taking a mindful pause that will prepare us for the next few weeks of deep exploration of our conditioned behaviors, habits, and fears. Paraphrasing Pema Chodron, meditation does not provide any specific answers to life's challenges, but it can anchor us in the present moment. It offers us a sense of ground when the world feels unstable. It expands our ability to tolerate the feelings that come with uncertainty and fear. Meditation gives us the opportunity to work with our minds when we cannot control what is happening around us. Panic, anxiety, and fear are all normal reactions to the enormous unknowing we always experience in life. But through meditation, we can learn to come back to our breath, our bodies, the sensations that we're feeling, and hold all of this with kindness. And meditation also connects us to others. When we sit with our discomfort, we touch the fact that everyone experiences hard and uncomfortable feelings. We are not alone. A kind of tenderness and understanding of others can develop, and tenderness that opens our hearts and connects us more deeply with all beings. It is that strength of sitting in the discomfort and the connection that comes from it that will carry us in times of great distress. Through meditation, we develop a more loving and compassionate attitude towards ourselves and others. And there is research to back it up. Research shows that we are happiest when we are fully present. And of course, meditation, mindfulness practice teaches us exactly that, to be present. A 13th century poet, Rumi, asks this very important question. Do you make regular visits with yourself? Do you make regular visits with yourself? These visits he refers to are pauses we take, even for a moment, to choose our response to whatever is happening around us. When we pause, we suddenly find resources to respond to any situation and to be more compassionate, kind, attentive. Even a very short pause, a few seconds, can make a huge difference in the way we engage with life. Because we learn to respond instead of reacting, and that alone is huge. So right now, let's make a short visit to ourselves and take a meditative pause together. As always, take a comfortable position, settling into your body, into your breath, into this moment. Check in with yourself. See where you're at right now. To find yourself in the present moment, it can help if you run through a series of questions to help you contact your mind, to help you become aware of what's happening right here, right now. So the first question is, what am I feeling right now? Can you contact what you're feeling? It could be your mood or your physical body, a quality of drowsiness or peacefulness, agitation or physical pain, anything really. And can you contact that non-verbally? just getting a felt sense of what's happening. What am I feeling right now? To refine this question a little bit, ask yourself, are there any emotions? Can you be present to those emotions? Can you contact them non-verbally as well? Not trying to come up with a name for every experience or to remember the history of the emotion. Just being present to what you're feeling right now. Are you experiencing any physical sensations? Pain, tightness, openness, relaxation? What is it? Again, try to contact this experience non-verbally. There is no need to name anything. What about your thoughts? What's the quality of your mind right now? Is it very busy, drowsy, surprisingly still? Are your thoughts raging or peaceful or dull, obsessive or calm? Are there any pauses in between your thoughts? Hopefully, these questions help you touch in and make deep contact with yourself. See if you can feel the benefits of being present right now. What are those benefits? And remember, you can return to this mindful pause again and again. So now gently let go of this practice. Scan your body and notice how you're feeling now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? I would like to complete our session today with a poem by Dana Folds. It's titled Remember This. Vast and changeless, the ground of being is not rocked by ripples on the pond. The firmament from which we spring, the divinity at the heart of things, does not wax or wane with mind states, or wither in the wind. We come from stronger stuff than feelings. Essence does not fail or fade, diminish, or trade reality for illusion. We are wordless, wide, and wise beyond time. within us is a flame of truth that never dies. So let that be the focal point of life. Let that be the light that guides us from the shadows. So as you go through your day today, remember that we all have this light that can guide us from the shadows. We just need to pause and make regular visits with ourselves to connect with this light. Enjoy this process. Take as many pauses as you can remember. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.